I got some psycho bitch who just got in my truck and was driving it.
Free Palestine!
In downtown Detroit in East
For
Lafayette.
my future kids. Free Palestine. Free Palestine. Free Palestine.
Just trying to do my job, homeless drug addict.
Free Palestine! I said! Free Palestine!
Get the fuck out of my truck.
Follow Fights Bro for more videos like these.